Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg. I just did a blooper. 12 by 16, 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which has some grey on it now because I did that. It was going to be pretty, but I messed it up. What happens when you start doing too much to things, you can overdo it. And I couldn't save it. So I'm starting again. So I have white, a bit more white. I'm going to do a ring pour. A little bit of black, some red, some blue, a bit more white, some gold. The recipes for these paints in the pouring medium you will find under Show More, just below this video. And some more blue. Just let down a minute while I scrape it out. There we go. Right. And I'll scrape out what's left of the red. Hopefully we'll have enough. I think oh, bugs in the throat. Please excuse me. A bit more gold. And some white. Okay. And I might take it this way. Let's see how we go. I have silicone in the blue and the red. I have Floetrol in each of the colours. Of course, it's in the pouring medium. So now we're going to see what we have. I'm going to take it over that corner straight away. Alright, make it come. Turning them around. This one's coming along nicely. And then back. Okay, I'm very happy here. Second time round. And I will just getting rid of those big white lumps, and I will torch it, I think, and just see what the silicone does. Might have been a bit of a mistake putting it on this one, but not to worry, we'll soon find out. very nicely. There were more air bubbles than I had imagined, but I got them. Oh, that's really pretty. I might just take it down over that bit. Go on off this go, I don't want you there. Thank you. Yes. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. So, I'm wiping off of the hands and I'm going to bring you down to take a look at this one. It's really very nice. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell beside that word and you will be notified then as I do more videos. We'll put them up and you can share. Just taking you out. Share the video is very good, and please give it the thumbs up. I do appreciate it when people give it the thumbs up. It helps to place the videos in YouTube with the algorithms, which is all very technical. You can see the reds and the blues just poking through there. It's really very pretty. So, thank you very much for watching. I can see a horse's head with a mane. I do hope you've enjoyed, and once again, please give this the video the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.